Okay, on in water this video. Meto gonna share button. Share along this. Share Keto Soozia. I will be doing something unusual, very unusual this night. What I go, and I will be doing that based on the fact that I have sit down and during the course of the video today, a video even na Soludo that there can never be anything legal in illegality. Now, again, taking what even nature. Video name in respect to Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki Onye Eze Jesus and Eke Hit. It's already over 1 year and, if I'm not mistaken, government arrested her, which I don't object to, because now if I had to make carry, you know what go, and at the time, government had to come in to put an end to all those menaces. Otherwise, kudos to Governor Soludo for taking the bull by the horn. The detain offer, women detain offer, and I got try ha got court today, and according to Ifem Gotalo na BBC Igbo, Owolo na Eke Hit and the Owolo Eke Hit and the Onye Eze Jesus now adjourn case here to February 20 something or so. Then on Akwa they to July to June abi July, which is na on January, February, March, April, May, June, July. You got to go now. Based on the fact that Namuku, that there can never be anything legal in illegality, I call on Governor Soludo to speed up. I call on the government to speed up on the trial of these three people. Yes, the detention is becoming too unusual. Yes, the detention is becoming too unusual. I believe in the government will every findings and they have everything at their disposal before they got these three people arrested. So, if truly that there is something government teaching about these people, let them come out, face the trial, and all we need for sentencing. Let them be sentenced so that they can face their term now wherever whether they sentence her to prison or they discharge her and acquit. Let government speed up their trial. For example, Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki, I don't know why a matter bagotalo na January. I don't know why I jump February, March, April, May, June, July, which is more like half of this year, before the matter will come up again, which of course it will be adjourned again. So I don't understand. There are some nature of this case understanding that at least some of them na charges or a non-bailable offense. Yes, but speed up their trial. If our government versus Akwa Okuko, government versus Eke Hit, government versus Onye Eze Jesus, and they believe in all government will something do incriminating age about these people, they should present it and speed up the trial. So Nandeku government and also now the approach you have taken into curbing this menace, but you cannot squeeze in illegality into something legal. Otherwise, everything awolo non and void. You want to go? You will get that says you go. Why did you win a sound like this? But wait, today it might be Akwa Eke Hit Onye Eze Jesus. Tomorrow, go. No matter how guilty you think you are, you still deserve a fair trial. If at the end of the day need to guilty, let you be sentenced accordingly. The detention without sentencing or conviction, adugo too much and long overdue. Yes, even though no your family members, you will demand a fair trial. And I think in this case, more than 1 year adugo enough. More than 1 year adugo enough to conclude this case. Owuna na sentence ya. Owuna na discharge ya akwidi ya do hakanante. Discharge ya akwidi ya do hakanante. So this is a call to the government of Anambra State, to speed up the trial of these men so that they will know their fate. You will not understand what I'm saying because tomorrow you may find yourself in the same situation. So after we follow now adjourn Okesi Akwa to July. Ụfọdụ nwere ike isi ezugo ị ziri akwa, but let us be objective. Agwa m na my own idea of criticism is a constructive one and not destructive one, and it doesn't matter whose us is God. The fact is that if these people do guilty, let them face the trial squarely and let them get the sentencing or conviction so that the matter can go to another IFA. Adjourning case Akwa from now to July, I don't understand. Can you figure out February, March, April, May, June? Can you figure out how many months? Almost half into the half of the year. Now, Onye Eze Jesus na Eke Hit Epijeru next month, which is February. That one can be understandable because at least I go February. So this is my own. There can never be anything legal in illegality. Soludo is pursuing a just cause, but you don't need to squeeze in any act of illegality, intimidation, or anything inside it. Go always have what purpose that.